Hi, let's take your project planning and execution workflow from tape measurements and crossed fingers to profit-like confidence. Meet Preston, the projects guy. He manages engineering and construction projects but relies on 2D plans that are often inaccurate or outdated. And so he tends to measure and redraw everything from scratch for his project. Slow, manual and error prone. And because his work is in 2D, he often misses the third dimension, leading to clashes. The devil is in the details and they are getting overlooked. It's time to upgrade the tools and technology that Preston has at his disposal, so we can ultimately make his life easier and his projects run smoother. In practice, our work combines education with practical solutions. We'll review Preston's current workflow and figure out which parts it is most critical to address. The first step is often reality capture, capturing accurate 3D models of existing buildings and services. We then take Preston's 2D plans and transform them into 3D, helping his team visualize designs and equipment placement and to spot issues before they arise. Visual communication is the name of the game, and we can even facilitate sessions to explore designs and layout options with Preston stakeholders, picking the best techniques for the job. From there, we can help to plan construction phases and optimize equipment delivery routes, ensuring everything runs smoothly from start to finish. Now for an example. Preston was in a stress because his drawings were a mess. We laser scanned everything. Now he says our 3D models are the best. He bought a machine, but the supplier doesn't want to share their 3D CAD. That's fine. We just converted their 2D drawings into a 3D model. Nobody could agree on where the machine should go. We combined the laser scan with our machine model and everyone could relax. Preston's building is a little tight. Our data gave him the confidence to squeeze the machine through the gaps, and he saved loads of time in enabling works. So, to summarise, accurate data, clear visuals and seamless planning so you can design, decide and build with confidence. Lower costs for business, lower stress for you. If you'd like to find out more, be like Preston. Give us a call or message. We'd love to learn more about you.